skyrocketing insurance rates get F from school employees. By Summer Brokaw. Staff writer. Charlotte County, Charlotte school employees, already upset due to comparatively low wages and a lack of raises, say a proposal that includes skyrocketing insurance rates for next year could push them over the edge. In one of the larger gatherings for a public meeting in recent years, more than 200 employees attended Tuesday night's Charlotte County School Board meeting, presenting a 2.5-foot stack of cards signed by workers district-wide stating enough is enough, and I can't afford any more. Out-of-paycheck costs would rise from $14.38 to $39.02, a more than 150% increase for basic health insurance, according to the most recent proposal by the district, one of the region's largest employers. A previous proposal had rates skyrocketing even higher, 540%, or $92.14 per pay period. The proposed insurance rate changes, if approved, would go into effect for the 2017 fiscal year from January 1 through December 31. The proposals are still being negotiated by the district and the employee unions. I truly hope you understand that if these proposed changes are made, you will have catapulted your employees off their financial cliff starting day one, said Mark Holt, president of the Charlotte County Support Personnel Association, the local union for support employees such as teachers' aides, bus drivers, cafeteria workers and custodians. You may not realize this, but I'll tell you at least half these people out here have to have a second or third job just to make ends meet, said bus driver Paul Huckstein. Devin Seibert, a teacher and parent, is one of those employees. My manager was gracious enough not to let me work tonight, just so I could come in here and speak, said Seibert, who wore a uniform from her other job at Kohlrabi's. She closed her 2 minutes of public comment with something she also tells students. Your poor planning should not be my emergency. Port Charlotte Middle School teacher Elaine Richmond said some of the frustration comes from the fact that board members knew about the rate increases in June, when some teachers and other employees are considering jobs in other areas. This is beyond belief that you're going to stand here or sit here in front of us and deny a benefit that you should have let us know clear back in June, before we started, so that these people could go to Sarasota, she said. You have locked us out by not giving us the truth. Charlotte Florida Education Association President Brian Boughton also said union members should have been told earlier, because we need time to solve the problem, but he doesn't think it's too late since the district has enough money in its fund balance to keep health insurance rates the same next year. I wonder if you realize the repercussions of increasing our insurance premiums, said bus driver Nicole Powers. People will leave in droves. I don't think you know the devastating financial effects this will have on families who have children who have medical needs along with themselves. To ask this of us is shameful. It is time to address this problem the correct way instead of covering up with a band-aid. This is your job to do. Superintendent Steve Dionisio admitted that it was his responsibility, but he said he could make no promises. We will continue to work to try to find the most affordable solution possible for our employees involving insurance, he said. The process is still in bargaining. Board Chairwoman Barbara Endel declined to comment, saying board members do not sit on the school district's bargaining team and can't comment on ongoing negotiations. Email, sprocal@sun-herald.com. Charlotte County Public Schools employees, including union and non-union members, filled the school board meeting on Tuesday night to show their opposition to skyrocketing health insurance rates proposed to start in January 2017. Sun photos by Summer Brokaw. My manager was gracious enough not to let me work tonight just so I could come in here and speak, said Devin Seibert, dressed in her apron for her second job at Kohlrabi's restaurant while addressing school board members on Tuesday night regarding proposed insurance rates. From left are board members Aline Miller, Bob Sagar and Lee Swift.